To achieve and get that perfect winged eyeliner is every girl's dream. Yours, mine, and everyone's dream, right? Last year, same time, I was down with acute COVID, and once I recovered from that, I was diagnosed with some other thing which I will explain in the end of the video. But because of that illness, I had to take very heavy medications, and as a side effect, my hands started shivering. I got low BP attack. See, I'm a girl who loves to put on eyeliner whenever I step out of the house, but once I started taking the medication, my hands were shivering very badly. That is when I failed in getting that perfect eyeliner. Things got clumsy, my hands were shaky, and the eyeliner was not even on both the eyes. I was literally very, very disappointed. Okay, keep those things apart, but I want to tell you a few things. I've seen many videos these days where people are pulling their skin while applying eyeliner. It is a very, very bad practice. The skin around our eyes is the most delicate skin, and when you pull your skin to get the perfect liner or whatever, you are going to harm your skin. So these practices you should stop once and for all. I've already done on how to achieve the even eyeliner look. I'm going to put the link above here, but this video is for people who have shaky hands, and before that you should know that all eyes are not the same. We have different eye shapes. Even my eyes have uneven eye shape, as you can see here in this frame. So I found a hack on how to achieve this beautiful winged eyeliner look. Even if you have shaky hands, you can get this look without being nervous. So let's get into the tutorial. They said, don't fall. As I was browsing through Amazon, I found these things. Okay, this is not a paid promotion or anything. I bought this with my interest. These are called quick makeup stencil stickies. You have stencils both for eyeliners and eyeshadows here. So as you can see, we have a stencil to apply eyeliner and as well as the eyeshadow, but today we are going to concentrate only on eyeliners. I opened the pack and I got these 4 sheets wherein you have stencils called cat eyeliner, and you have classic eyeshadow. You can see for yourself, we have thin eyeliner, smoky eyeshadow. Next is the cat eyeliner. Today we are going to concentrate on eyeliner. Let me know if you want me to try out the stencil for eyeshadow also. We'll do that in my next video, but before that I'm going to take out this stencil and apply it on my hand first and remove the excess gum. And as you can see, I'm trying to figure out here. I didn't get it in the first instance. This is the second try. It was a little strange to apply something so big on my eyelid, for the first time. And it took me 3 tries to get that perfectly. So press the stencil so that the eyeliner, when you're applying it, it doesn't spread outside the stencil. So what I do is I prefer a brush, eyeliner with brush, like this liquid eyeliner, because if you use a sketch eyeliner, the sketch tip is very hard and it might move the stencil. This is a very flexible brush, so that's why I'm applying here. After applying eyeliner, I have waited for a while for the eyeliner to get dry, because if it's tacky, it might spread while you remove the sticker. I'm going to let it dry for a while, and now the moment of truth. Let's see. It was okay, but I had to fill in the gaps. As you can see, the eyeliner didn't reach into my inner corner, and the wing is also a bit strange. So this is the first time I'm trying, so it will take me a few times to figure it out. You guys are also very clever, so you can figure it out as well. But hey, something is better than nothing, so I'm going to try again and again. But for now, I've filled up this gap, as you can see, and I'm applying the same on my right eye also. And I'm going to do the same procedure. Apply the eyeliner carefully and wait for it to dry, and then remove the sticker. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, here also I have some gaps to be filled, but hey, this is the first time, so I can learn, I'm gonna learn and perfect this. So as you can see, I've filled, and I like very big wings, as you can see from my previous videos, so I've increased the wing also. And now I'm applying a little bit of eyeshadow to define my lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply mascara and pop some lashes, and voila, you have an even eyeliner. I didn't have to shake, I didn't have to control my hands, I didn't have to clean up or anything. This is pretty good. I struggled a bit initially, but I think this is pretty good. I want you also to try and let me know in the comments below if this worked for you also. Okay, coming to my personal issue, my health issue, I was diagnosed with acute spondylosis, and my discs all in my lower back also slipped, and for that I was put on bed rest. I didn't have to, doctors forbidden me to sit for too long. I was on bed rest and on very heavy medication. So that's the reason, I had low BP attack and my hands started shaking. But now I'm feeling much better, and I would like to thank all my subscribers from the bottom of my heart who were always checking up on me and my health, who were chatting with me on my Instagram. I thanks a lot. I owe so much to you guys. So I hope this thing helped you out. I'm going to put the link of this stencil stickies in the description box below, and let me know if you want me to try the eyeshadow stencil also. And at the same time, please do like, share and subscribe. I'm not getting much views, I don't know why, but please also hit the bell icon and please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, be strong, stay positive. I love you guys so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care, love you, bye bye.